boys, so today we're starting volume. So we've done perimeter, total up the side lengths. We've done area, that's the space inside the shape. And now we're doing volume. So volume is the space inside a three-dimensional object. Okay, so something you can pick up, or maybe not pick up but stand inside. Right, so I'm in a room here. This is a three-dimensional space. All this space inside this classroom is volume. It's measured in cubic units. All right, so it means that we have a little 3, a power of 3, we call it cubed, on the top of the units. So it might be millimetres cubed, it might be centimetres cubed, metres cubed, or really even a really big space might be kilometres cubed. So we're converting cubic units here. So if we go to a smaller unit, you already know that you multiply. And if we go to a bigger unit, we already know that we divide. But this is where it becomes different. So if both the units that you're converting from and to are cubed, then the number that you multiply or divide by also has to be cubed. This becomes really important. And this is the part where people go wrong a lot in the exam. So in this one here, we're trying to work all of these out. So we're going from metres cubed to centimetres cubed. So we're going to a smaller unit. So that means we're multiplying. Now the prefix is C for centi. So that's 100. So we're multiplying by 100. Now because these units are both cubed, this has to be cubed as well. So we go to our calculator and we press in 7.2 times 100 cubed. So we do 7.2 times 100. Now we need it cubed or to the power of 3. So this is your squared button here, x squared. Next to it, it says x with a little square at the top. That's the one we want. We're pressing that. A little square comes up and we're going to put a 3 in there because we want it to the power of 3. Cubed. So then we press equals, and that's our answer. So we're going to write that down. Equals. And then we'll write centimetres cubed on the end, or you can go and put that number up the top there, but I don't think it's going to fit on that line. Okay, next question. We're having a look at this one up here. So we're going from metres cubed to millimetres cubed. So we're going to a smaller unit. So we're timesing. The prefix is M for milli. That's 1,000. This is cubed, so this is cubed as well. So we're going to put in our calculator 1 times 1,000 cubed. So this is what I do. I press 1 times 1,000 to the power of, remember next to the squared key, and then 3 equals, and that's your answer. Looks like this. Millimetres cubed. Okay, next one. We're going from centimetres cubed to metres cubed. So this time we're going to a bigger unit. So we're dividing. Now C for centi is our prefix, that's 100. These are both cubed in the units, so we have a cubed here. So again, you just do it on your calculator like I just showed you. 126,000,000 divided by 100. Press that button at the top, the power button, then the 3. Make sure it looks like that. Then press equals. And your answer should be that. Okay, next one. We're going from metres cubed to millimetres cubed. We're going to a smaller unit. So we're going to times. Look for your prefix. Little m is milli. Milli is 1,000. Cubed for your units and cubed here. So we're going to do 25 times 1000, press the power key up next to the squared, put your 3 there, then press equals. And you should get this answer. I will just check the calculator does give us that, because sometimes it gives us funny answers, and I just want to double check it does give you that. So 25 times 1000 to the power 3 equals. Oh, it didn't give us that, it gave us that. All right, well, I'm going to write that down. That's what the calculator said. Now, if your calculator said that, you write that down. If your calculator said that, you write that down. They're both right. Okay, in E, we're going from centimetres cubed to metres cubed. We're going to a bigger unit, so we're dividing. The prefix is C for centi, that means 100. The units are both cubed, so our 100 is going to be cubed as well. So you're putting your calculator, 63,000, divided by 100, press the power key, you know where it is now, then press the 3 equals. And if you do that, you will get that answer there. Yeah. Okay. Next one, we're going from centimetres cubed to millimetres cubed. We're going to a smaller unit. So we're multiplying. Now this one's tricky because we've got 2 prefixes. We've got centi and we've got milli. Now we can't deal with either of them. So this is where you have to remember your ruler. All right, your ruler, you should have that with you in your test every time you're in a test. You can see that 1 centimetre is 10 millimetres. So 10 is our magic number we're going to deal with here. The units are cubed in both of them, so we're going to have a cubed on top of that 10 as well. So we're going to do 3 times 10, press the power key on your calculator, then the 3 equals, and it will give you this answer. Put your millimetres cubed on the end. Okay, so the word problem we have over here, it's no harder than the other ones. Just have a look at it. It says a swimming pool has a volume of 38 metres cubed. So I've written 38 metres cubed down here. Then it says we want you to convert this to cubic centimetres. Now cubic centimetres just means centimetres cubed. So I want you to write that in red above it so you know what it means. So that's what we're going to do. We're going to change it to centimetres cubed. So think about it. We're going to a smaller unit. So we're timesing. Your prefix is C for centi. It's only one prefix this time. Centi is 100. Both your units are cubed, so the cubed will be on the 100 as well. So you go to your calculator, you press in 38 times 100, press the power key at the top, 3 equals. And you should get this answer. And that's all for today, boys. So it's just the one video, and you've got some homework to do just practicing it. So make sure you show the working the same as what I've been doing here. It's the best way that you'll be able to remember it for your assessment tasks when they come up, and you won't be able to forget them then because you've practiced them enough.